case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
Farmland Industries, Inc. sued Colorado and Eastern Railroad, CERC, for increased cleanup costs resulting from their failure to prevent public dumping of waste, contamination of soil on railroad tracks, and the installation of a fence at the Woodbury Chemical Superfund Site. The site became contaminated when a fire erupted in 1965, leaving the property riddled with pesticide-contaminated rubble. It was later expanded to include a railway track and additional property, eventually purchased by CERC. The court found that the CERC Parties were liable and deemed them responsible for 85 to 90% of costs associated with ditch washouts and debris cleanup. While Farmland completed the remediation process at a total cost of over $15 million, they were only held accountable for 51% of the costs. Flanders, CERC's sole shareholder, was found guilty of stripping the company of its assets upon learning of their PRP status. As a result, Farmland was granted a motion for partial summary judgment, and the case was remanded to address their contribution claim by applying equitable factors. The court held the CERC parties jointly liable for the awarded amount, entitling Farmland to both pre-judgment and post-judgment interest.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.